how to turn off suggested for you on Instagram. So all you have to do now in this video, I will show you step by step on how to do it using your Android device as well as your iOS device. After you open your phone, go and open your Instagram app like this. So as you can see now on my Instagram profile, as you can see now, here is the suggested for you. As you can see now, option now is now enabled. So to disable this option, all you have to do now, close your Instagram app. Now go to your browser. I'm using Chrome browser. You can use any browser on your phone. After you open your browser, now tap on this search bar and search for instagram.com. Type instagram.com like this and search for instagram.com. After you tap on this instagram.com, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot at the top right side or this arrow. As you can see now, your own may be arrow or this three dot, tap on it. So after you tap on it, now tap on this desktop site. Scroll to down and turn it to desktop site. So all you have to do now, if you change it to desktop site, now zoom it like this and make sure just to type in your login information for Instagram, your Instagram username and password. So after you log in into your Instagram account like this, I've already logged in into my Instagram account. Here is it, as you can see now. After you open your Instagram account like this, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the bottom right side. This menu, as you can see now, you can see menu, tap on it. After you tap on this menu at the bottom right side, now zoom it. As you can see now, you can use your hand to zoom it. So tap on this settings under the menu, the first option. After you tap on this settings, now allow it to finish loading. Now zoom it out, as you can see like this. Now as you can see now, here is the option for you to turn off the suggested for you. As you can see now, if I zoom it like this, here is it. As you can see now, here it says show account suggested on profile. Here is it, show account suggested on profile. So as you can see, here is option now. All you have to do now, go and turn off this option. As you can see now, go and turn off this option, this one. After you tap on this section, now tap on this submit button. Now it will save it for you. After you tap on this submit button, now it will save the suggested for you. It will turn off the suggested for you on your Instagram account for you. That's it guys on how to turn off suggested or how to remove suggested for you on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.